How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat app and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the home screen in the left lower corner, you can see the photo like sign. So simply tap on that. From here, you can swipe and see for My Eyes Only option. So if you forget your password and you want to recover your photos in My Eyes Only, then you can do it for the two ways. The first step is you have to tap on the option over here, and here you can tap on the forget passcode option. After that, you have to enter your Snapchat account password, due to which your account will be recovered. After that, you have to tap on next. So here you have to know that when you forget your password, then you can no longer access your photos in your My Eyes Only. So if you want to create a new passcode, then you'll lose all the photos and videos that you have saved in My Eyes Only. So if you want that to be happen, simply tap on I understand that creating a new password will be all snap in My Eyes Only option over here, and you will tap on continue, and by doing that you can create a new passcode, and once again you can add photos in the My Eyes Only. And the next step is you have to go back to the home page, and here in the left upper corner you can see the Bitmoji option, so tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the gear option, which is in the right upper corner. So here you have to scroll down below and you have to select the I need help option, and from here you have to explain your problem, mentioning that you have forgotten the password of My Eyes Only and you want to recover the photos and videos of My Eyes Only. After doing that, the Snapchat will help you to recover. So by following this simple step, you can recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.